Cartoon Animator user. Yes, today we would like to create file by use a brush preset. Here we create our own. So let's start it. Click Control. Okay, and click Start. You see this file we create from Photoshop and super easy. Yeah. So I would like to stop this one and create new. Yeah. This one I'm not yet save, so I will to save and use this later. Yeah, just click save. It take a bit time. File, new. I put file like this. Okay, create new. Just click here, Photoshop. If you cannot find this button, so you can go to edit, preference, yeah, edit, preference, and click image, and you see image editor here, and you can find go to Photoshop. If you put Photoshop in desktop or any place that you can find file file like this. Okay, and after that you add to, you will get this Photoshop like this. Okay. And this transparent. Okay, and click OK. It will show the Photoshop here. Okay, and just click and new object. Okay, this sample already created. Now I would like to draw a file as sample that I can draw it. I use this line, so click Control R, you see it show it. Control R again, close this. Control R to show this line, and I use this as reference that I would like to draw a file like this and like this. Okay, so I would like to brush tool. I use pen, or you can use mouse. I click B. So I use I find one brush. If you have preset file already, you can use preset file here. Yeah, you can download preset from internet, or you create your own. So I try to create on this one. Okay, any brush that you can draw. So I use this black, and I will draw the circle first. Yeah, and after that is fire. Like that. Okay. Okay. Like that. And after that, I would like to preset to capture this preset. So I would like to select first, click M, or click this one. Yeah, and select this preset. And after that, click edit. So we click define brush preset. So this one file 001. After that, so I would like to delete this first. Yeah, delete this first, and click B. I will have this file. So Control D to deselect all, and I click new. I need around 10 frame, or is more frame is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frame. Click the first frame. So I pull like this, you see, it's easy like that. So this one I would like to change the color to this red one. The color red I put here, you see, and change the color, and reuse brush, reuse side brush by click close open bracket. Yeah, open bracket, and that means I click like this and to draw. so I change the color, resize this, click, see, and click up a bit, resize it, click, up a bit, resize this, click, until you get oh sorry, oh good, until you get the color. Oh, I duplicate it first. Okay, no worry. Click, and this one, click. I change size, click. Okay, like that. So this one I would like to delete because the first I click every single this frame, so I would like to click on one color, but I merge it now, so I don't need to do like that. Just click only one frame and duplicate this one. Ctrl J, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we get a 10 frame. If you do more frame, it's work well, very good. Now I do only 10 frame. After that, I would like to click this filter and use Liquify. Yeah, click here. Click on the keyboard, Control Shift H. So you need a small brush. First you need small brush like this and to squash like that. Yeah, it's random. You random it. Yeah, random and do like that. The circle like this. Yeah, and circle I mean up. Because of file blow up like this, you do like that. Yeah. Okay, like that. Go up. Okay, and we try. Okay, and click enter, and after that to do another frame, so Control Shift H, it's fast shortcut, and this bigger than this one, like this. Okay, I click open brackets 2 times, like that. See, it's easy. If you take long time, you can skip this step by forward this too, but I would like to do it every frame. Control Shift H. Sorry. When this brush bigger and bigger, so it will easy to yeah, to that mean to draw. Yeah, it's faster. That mean speed it fast. This like this. Okay, and click OK. Rotate 8. It's a bigger 2 times. Yeah, it look nice. Yeah, enter. Control Shift H. Bigger this. Yeah, 2 times. When you do so, you try to this file up like that. Yeah, and up slowly. Yeah. And you can run to the left and run to the right according to you. Okay, enter. This over up here, so no worry. This one, Shift X, and bigger than this one. Okay. Okay, enter. Enter shift 8. Change brush size. So it big, I will reuse this brush size and increase. Yeah. Okay, you can go and practice to do this. It's simple and easy. Yeah, and enter. Select. And try when you go to left and try go up like this. Go to left and go up like that. You see, if I pause up like that. Yeah. Okay, enter. Control Shift H. Okay, and another 10 frame. It's random. Okay, and I would like to check this. Control X. So I don't want this up like that. I drag down like this, and let's cascade. Okay. Like that. Okay, enter. And this one, so I drag down. Okay, enter. So I finish this. Just group this one, click and drag down like this. Click shift and click here, and click Ctrl G and Ctrl S. It's fast, and go to Photoshop that I can get another file. You see, it look good. And I would like to run PhD again to change this pivot to down here. This pivot to down. So I click this one to show here, and drag this to down like this, and drag this, and Ctrl S, save. It auto to save this one. I go here. You see, okay, ready. Now I would like to animate this by 2 times 2 frame. This one, click 2 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I open timeline and click click this one, and right click to add to action. Okay, and after that I right click to remove and click save. File music, file music. Okay, now I would like to animate this file, and you see, if we get more more frame, it look good. So I would like to use this as slow file, or one slow, and a bit faster. again. Okay, so I would like to drag like this and loop this one. Okay, and I combine with another probe, so this lock. Okay, play. Okay, thank you guys. I hope this helped you to create file, and super easy. Just we create our own in Photoshop and use brush tool, preset brush tool, and you can create a lot of file that you like to create it. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If I make a mistake, I'm sorry first. Okay, see you next tutorial. Bye bye.